Hey, thanks for tuning in again, guys. Today we have in store, we are going to clean some salt off the E36 and then kind of see where the day goes from there. Got Kevin with me.
What's up?
And then Calvin after the breed. Alright, yeah, so let's see where the day takes us.
Peace and quiet, nothing around you but clear blue sky. No one to hassle you, no one to tell you where to go or what to do. The only bad part about flying is having to come back down to the world.
Tried washing the car, but I guess they were having a problem with their soap coming out of the foam brush, which we weren't going to use the brush anyway. Just didn't want to scratch with the paint. We were just going to kind of hand wash it with that. Forgot to bring our own soap, of course. But yeah, the soap wasn't coming out. Tony was nice enough, he's the owner, he was nice enough to let us go through the touchless wash for free, so hopefully this helps. Just want to get a bunch of the salt off of the E36.
Yeah, basically that.
Yeah, and then after this we're gonna dry it and then see where the day takes us. For now, we are in this fancy touchless wash, so hopefully this thing works pretty well. Fuzzy Dice gang, 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 gang. The touchless wash still wasn't as good as we expected, but I mean, just wanted to get some of the salt off, not doing a full detail here. Kevin is hitting it with some quick detailer though, so hopefully that'll help a little bit, just get a little bit of a shine to it. But most importantly, at least the salt is off the car now, so. So it might be a little bit hard to see right now, but this car actually has a very special, rare blue leather and blue carpet interior. You might be able to see it here. I don't know how well the camera captures it, but yeah, the blue carpet and the blue leather seats, the leather rear seats, blue door cards, they're all pretty rare, right, Kev?
Yeah. I haven't seen it on any other models except for like certain 5 Series. Came with like a midnight blue interior. But this one's got blue carpet interior, blue leather interior, blue side door interior also. Special ordered, yeah, from the BMW factory.
Huh. Yeah, because these cars originally didn't come with blue interior. So it's pretty rare. When we took it to VAC Motorsports the other day, the guy there, he said he's been around these cars for years and he's only ever seen one other car from the factory with the blue interior like this, so it's pretty rare. It's in pretty good condition.
Yeah.
The seats could be reupholstered, which I'm sure we'll get to at some point, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice right now. Buddy, Brian decided to come join us because he heard we were going to the spot for lunch. What's up?
Hanging.
How's your day been? You got it inspected?
Yeah.
Woo! Check out that fresh inspection, boy.
Give me a free month.
Notmorgn. Again, but I remember you. How I lost myself again, but I remember you.
Alright, so we just made the drive out to Westchester so we could go to Love Again Local, which is a really good vegan sandwich spot. They have like kind of plays on like classic sandwiches, like a vegan Italian club and stuff like that. Pretty good.
You keep finding something to fight for. Slow down. You run into nothing, there's nothing that's moving as quick as you want to slow down. You looking for comfort, me too, I got something, just light up this blood, slow down. Climbing that mountain to realize you'll just be alone at the top, slow down. Slow down. Murder, suicide rate, it's got me contemplating. I blame it on myself though, lack of concentration. Hell, I still spit that tough shit, verbal constipation. And all these battles with my demons never lost to Satan. Kinda feel like Gohan, training lacking lately. Doesn't matter though, you know not to attack a saying. I got 28 grams of that premium deluxe and I'ma burn it down dolo, but this shit still ain't enough. I got